stop right there. I know you're scrolling, but if you care about your health, or even just want to feel more energized, sleep is where it all begins. Every day, I see creators posting viral sleep hacks or trending routines, but here's the catch. Most of them are overcomplicated, inconsistent, or just copied for the camera. Better sleep isn't aesthetic, it's intentional. Let's talk about sleepmaxxing. This is the practice of upgrading your sleep for real results. It's not about stacking 10 gadgets or powders on your nightstand. It's about understanding your body's natural rhythm and giving it what it truly needs. Small, consistent adjustments make a huge difference. The timing of light exposure, room temperature, calming routines, and yes, some supplements like magnesium or ashwagandha, but only if they fit your lifestyle. Randomly stacking powders because it looks good on TikTok won't work and can even backfire. The key is focus and consistency. Are you restless at night? Track your habits. Do you wake up groggy? Adjust your environment. Are you stressed before bed? Introduce one calming ritual instead of 10. This approach isn't just theory. Creators who demonstrate routines with measurable results get massive engagement because it's relatable and actionable. Here's the rule that actually works. Prioritize quality over quantity. Master one change at a time and watch the results compound. Better sleep comes from understanding your body, not chasing trends. If you're tired of confusing advice and want real, evidence-guided strategies to improve your sleep, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Drop a comment with your biggest sleep struggle, and I'll help break it down. Let's hack rest the right way. Your best nights are closer than you think.